Hi guys, Leslie here, aka Runwithcraftscissors. So this is a haul unboxing of, I know, a kit and freebies that we swapped for my birthday sale, which is coming up June 30th. So this is from Planninginbluejeans. Look how cute this little card is. So I had to feature that. I'm probably going to cut it off and put it in my planner. And then they wrote me a little note card. They said, for their shop, you can use code RUNWITH15 for 15% off. Isn't that so nice? That's so nice of them. Okay. She sent me some other freebies too, apparently. So I think these are from other shops. Sweet Georgia Maze, thanks for swapping with me for this sale. There's an extra for you. Good luck with this. That's cute. So she sent me her sample. Or she just reused this bag. Oh, how cute. There's stickers and washi samples. It's like Simply Gilded washi. It's like pink and white. And then some Easter egg washi and some sparkly washi. I don't have this one, I don't think. I have some of these, but I don't have this one. And then some decal stickers of flowers. That's so pretty. They feel like vinyl. All right, and then she sent me all of these. These are probably her leftover. Yeah, she does the PGU sale. I don't know what that stands for. I forget. I don't. So this one looks like a Christmassy one, but it says May. Oh no, those are strawberries. Never mind. Okay, so this is a May one, a March one, and a March one. And then this one is from another shop. This one is from RS. I don't know what that says. Redhead Stickers. There we go. And then this one is from Irish Acres Designs. I've got 99 problems and anxiety is literally all of them. Okay, I feel a little called out there. Hot air balloon. Love. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Who is this? Wilson Wild. And it's got Chinese food. I wish Chinese food would come in those boxes again. And then taco night. And then it's got a burger. And the cup reminds me of like the cups you would see at like the mall. And then pizza. In love with this one. Uncommonplans.ca. Does that mean Canada? I guess they're Canadian. Uncommon Plans. Oh my gosh. She has Celeste. She has the guy from Legends of Zelda. Link. There we go. Sorry. I don't play it. Pikachu. And I think that's Kirby. I'm not sure because it's kind of kawaii. And there's another pink guy out there. And then you have Tom. And then you have Celeste. And then you have Peach. And then you have your little Nook's Cranny logo. And it's all like the leaves. I love it. So I'm keeping this one for sure. And then this one is from Plannin' with Brit. Color eggs, go on a picnic. Oh, it's like a spring bucket list. I like that one. And then we have a pink planner sale. Apparently they've been in that one. It's cute. It's pink and purple. And then Sissy Prince Co. So there's a guy and a girl. Looks like they're drinking hot cocoa or tea or something and watching TV. There's a girl doing laundry. And then there's a girl ready to plan. And then there's the word celebrate. She says use code SPCLOVE for 15% off your next order. Not sure if that still is an active code. And then this one says Mayhem sale. Maybe that's what I need to do. I need to join a collab sale. Ooh, watermelons. That's cute. Sarah Elizabeth Prince. I've ordered from them before. I love the scripts on this one. Adorable. Coffee Time Deco Mini. Goodness sake. It's from Doodleberry. Yeah, I cannot read that bottom thing. I think that's her name. It says, yay, coffee, a bag of coffee. I'm loving this one. This one's like a camp out one. It's from Story Ink Studio, from StoryInkStickers.com. It's kind of spacey. And then there's like some some camping. What is wrong with my brain today? Some camping stickers. I don't know if this owl is from like something specific. I have no idea. There's some chocolate for making s'mores. There's like a little doggy tent. That's cute. Love that. I like that one a lot. And then this one, Lisa Lorraine Plans. I've ordered from her before too. Love this one. Focuses on the lemons. And then the declutter. Okay, once again, feeling a little judged. And then Aaron's notes. So cute. Love it. No hard feelings. Totally joking. Okay, so she said you can either use both in each order or use one for my birthday and the other later. Ooh, you guys, she sent me double the amount of freebies, so that means I can decide if it goes in my birthday sale for next month. I'll probably spread it out, because that's fun. Because maybe you can't order during the birthday sale, so then maybe you'll be able to order in the next sale or something. So apparently they will match, so that will be fun. Sorry for the cello. Okay, so this one is probably the one I'm going to be including. I'm already telling you now, because it has like birthday stuff on it. I love it so much. I'm like looking at all the pretty balloons. Okay, so you have H2O, shop till you drop, drinking some more water, cake, celebrate, like a fit thing, I don't know, and then earbuds, a tablet, presents, more balloons, and then a weekend banner. See, and then there's my little code, run with 15 to save 15%. Then this one has all the scripts on it, and like a Zoom meeting, and a bath, and a let's shop, and a car wash, Happy Meal, Netflix binge, YouTube binge. Those are fun. So this one's going to be in the Shoppiversary sale. This will be in a future sale. All right, there's more. There's a kit. Oh, she didn't write in the card. Oh, they printed their own cards. I love that. Ooh, I love that for them. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up. I buy my cards. All right, let's go ahead. I mean, they might pay someone to print those, but probably not. They probably do it. Okay. If I really want to know, I'll ask. All right, let's flip these over. Okay, so I wanted this kit because I'm really excited. My husband has mentioned that we're going to go strawberry picking at some point. He has his eye on a farm that's like, he's like, we'll go when they say. So this one's called Berry Bliss, and it has a basket full of strawberries and like coffee, and then strawberries on the plant. I'm also growing my own strawberry plant. Bunch of strawberry fields, strawberries in a basket, strawberries in a basket, strawberries in a basket. Some more strawberries, and then over here. So that's why I did the strawberry and the blossom in this week's new releases. Not sure when this video is going to go up. It might go up tomorrow. So there you go. And then has quarter boxes on there as well. So there you go. So you can see that better. And then this one has the bottom washi and the date covers and date dots. So cute. We have headers and checklists. And then we have half boxes and glitter half boxes and some little arrows down at the bottom. Adorable. And then some heart checklists and Monday through Sunday. And then you have today and little things and other littles. And then you have a bunch of circles of things. This is the shop I was thinking of. They have chiropractor stickers. So that's awesome because I definitely need those. Why is there a dragon? There's a dragon. What is the dragon for? What is that for? Oh, is that for table games? Okay, it might be. And then we have glitter headers. And then we have the weekend banner. And then we have more date covers. And then look at this glorious sheet of all these little functional stickers. You can't even. There's too many. It's like 1,000 stickers. That's crazy. I love them all. So thank you so much for sending me this kit and double the amount of freebies and even more freebies for me to play with. Thank you guys so much. Hopefully you got my swaps already. But there you go. So I'll put the code and the link in the description box below. So run with 15 for 15% off. I think they're just going to keep that active all the time. So I guess I kind of PR for them too. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.